Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming device type and OS version so tools match. Make sure storage is sufficient. Once done, open the app drawer and long press an empty area to enter edit mode. This lets you drag icons. You should decide folder logic now, alphabetical, by frequency, or by category, because grouping saves space and time. While you perform the first drags, keep in mind grid size and whether widgets share space so you don't later rework layout. You'll next use batch selection or drag to group features to speed placement. On many systems, you tap select or drag one app over another to create a folder. Then place core apps on your first home pages so they're accessible: banking, messaging, email, while less used apps go into folders or later pages. Make sure to adjust grid settings and icon size so everything fits. If pages feel cluttered, move related folders together. This reduces hunting time. You finish by locking the layout or saving changes in your launcher settings so icons stay put. Once done, test swipes and app opens to confirm. If icons vanish, reboot your device first and re-enable the launcher. This fixes most transient glitches. If an app is missing, open the app drawer to restore or reinstall from the store. As a last resort, clear launcher data or switch launchers. Only perform factory reset if issues persist, because that erases data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.